Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Gabriella Simmons, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing an everyday makeup look in less than 5 minutes. As far as everyday makeup goes, this is the look that you want to wear when you want to look natural, put together for a girl on the go. I'm a girl on the go. So I want to look like I have my life together, even though I don't. Let's begin. Okay, so as a disclaimer, I have my everyday skincare. This is hyaluronic acid and my Belief moisturizer, and I cocktail both of these, and that just means I mix them together at an equal ratio, and this is what I have on my face. So I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. Begins now. Alright, so what I'm going to use, I am going to use the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. I'm going to use this because stick foundations are great for on the go. Ignore all that mess back there. Ooh. Okay, so the Vanish Stick Foundation is really great for on the go. And this is a very full coverage foundation, but I like stick foundations because they're bomb. And the stick foundation is very coverage, so less is more. This may be a little pale for me, but yeah. Basically what I want to achieve is a more balanced, more even skin tone, and foundation is on. Next we will move on to concealer. I don't know what concealer I will use, but this is too dark. So we have 3 minutes left. Alright. I'll go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect. And I'm just using the Morphe I'm using the Morphe Baby Sponge. And we're just blending. Blending, and more blending, and more blending, and more blending, and more blending. I will do a little bit on my chin because I have a dark chin. Okay, cool. We're even, we look bomb, we look great. And next I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I'm gonna give my lashes a tiny little coat. We're almost done. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty lip gloss. My dog chewed on this, but I'm not willing to give it up yet, so. Throw that on the lips. And I'm gonna add a teensy bit of blush. And this is just Anastasia. This is probably discontinued. Alright, and since we have a little extra time, I know I had put my eyeliner around here. Okay. We have a minute left still, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with some brow gel. Just put the little suckers into place. You still have a few seconds on the clock. So this is your everyday makeup look for a girl on the go in less than 5 minutes with 5 products. Everything I use will be in the description box, and just want to let you know, you don't have to use the same exact product as me. This is just a way of how I do my makeup in 5 minutes or less. And this blush is discontinued, pretty sure of it. And this foundation, I believe that there's quite a few drugstore options out there. So that's all for today's video, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.